What's up everyone? Welcome back to Emojis 101, the only video series giving you the meaning behind emojis so you're not confused when you're messaging people. I'm Matt Shaver, and in today's video, I'm going to be going over some of my favorite new emojis from the Unicode 14.0 update. Now these new emojis were approved in September of 2021, but they're not likely to be rolled out to iOS, Android, and other platforms until the end of 2021 into the beginning of 2022. I'm going to be sharing my 6 favorite emojis from this update, but if you want to see the full list of all the emojis that were approved, I'll have a link in the description below. And if you're new to my channel, I release weekly videos ranging from comedy skits and food reviews to Emoji 101 videos just like this one. So if you want to stay in the loop or just be entertained, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're notified every time I release a video. With that being said, here are 6 of my favorite new emojis from the Unicode 14.0 update. First up, we have the face with peeking eye emoji, or as I like to call it, the can't look away emoji. I think they did a really good job designing this emoji. It looks hilarious. It looks very accurate, just showing the emoji peeking through its eye like, oh, I don't want to see this, but I kinda do. I think this is just applicable in so many situations and people are gonna have a lot of fun using it, especially if someone said something they did that was embarrassing from the day before, or the night before. You could send this emoji and be like, oh no, don't tell me more, but tell me more. Next up, we have the index pointing at the viewer emoji, or as I like to call it, the we want you emoji. I can think of dozens of times when I wanted to single someone out in a group chat or a Discord channel and being able to point directly at someone and not have it look like just a yellow blob on the screen, but actually to be able to see the hand pointing directly at you. I think that's going to be a lot of fun to use. Next up, we have the hand hearts emoji, which I've never been able to make this. Is that, does that look, okay. Why does it look terrible? Okay, that's it, right? That looks, I used to do this, but that's not what the emoji is. Anyway, I can't do it, but they made an emoji for it. I think it'll just be a cool, unique way to express that you love someone. And considering that the red heart emoji is one of the most used emojis of all time, I think that the hand heart emoji, all right, I'm just never gonna be able to do it. I think that the hand heart emoji is gonna be up there as a very, very popular emoji. Next, we have the troll emoji, or as I like to call it, Shrek's cousin. This is an emoji we've needed for a very long time because, as everyone knows, there are lots and lots of trolls on the internet, but we've never really had an emoji besides that one red demon face, which I don't even know what that is. I just have never looked into it. We haven't really had an emoji to depict someone as being a troll. The troll's depicted with like a tree club on its shoulder. I would have liked it a little bit better if he was like holding it up or gonna swing it, but considering that this is gonna be an emoji used by adults and children alike, I know they had to make it family friendly. So all things considered, I'm happy with the troll emoji. Maybe in the future they'll make it look just a little bit more angry because now, I mean, look at its face. It looks way too friendly and trolls are not friendly. Next up, we have the biting lip emoji. I don't know why. This is just something that I always really enjoy seeing personally. I don't know. I think it's really nice when certain women bite their lip. So I could see this becoming a very flirtatious emoji used mostly by women, but maybe men as well. All right, and last but not least, probably my favorite new emoji from this update is the melting face emoji. When I first saw this emoji, I immediately fell in love with it. To me, this emoji is symbolic of just smiling through the pain. That no matter what's going on around you, no matter what's going on with you, if you just keep a positive attitude, yeah, you might completely melt into a puddle, but hey, at least you had a good outlook while it was happening. The only way I think this emoji could get any better is if there were little flames behind it. Kind of like that meme of the dog sitting in the room that's on fire going, this is fine, everything's fine. That's exactly what this emoji reminds me of as soon as I see it. All right, that's gonna do it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and share it with a friend. If there's an emoji that you want me to define and make a video about, leave it down in the comments below. Otherwise, follow that link in my description, look at all the new emojis coming out over the next few months, and let me know which of the new emojis is your favorite. There's a lot in there. I only touched on 6, there's like 20 plus. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.